Hello everyone, so this is the video lesson 29, and in this video lesson we are going to solve some more conceptual numerical problems related to the Newton's ring. Okay, so these are the formulations used in different numericals. Now come to the numerical problem 28. Okay, there is a Newton ring arrangement and the arrangement is illuminated by the wavelength, and the diameters of 5th and 10th dark ring are measured. Okay, now a drop of transparent oil is introduced between the plano-convex lens and a plain glass plate. Then the measured diameters are now reduced because of the increased refractive index. Okay, so they are reduced. Now find the radius of curvature and the refractive index of the oil. Okay, so this is the problem of the comparison of the two medium. One is air, other is the liquid. So basically in this problem we have to use the formula mu is equal to dn plus p square minus dn square in air divided by in liquid. Okay, so first of all let's write the equation for the air gauge. Okay, so dn, the lowest order is the dn, is given. dn plus p is the highest order, it is also given. So let's write the difference of their squares. Okay, so it comes to be 11.7 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6. Now write the same equations for the oil medium, the lower diameter, the higher diameter, and the difference of their square, and it comes to be 8.04 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, now use the formula mu is equal to the ratio of two medium. So this formula gives the refractive index 1.46520. Okay, now let's calculate the radius of curvature. Let's calculate the radius of curvature. Okay, so radius of curvature may be obtained by the formula lambda is equal to dn plus p square minus dn square divided by 4p lambda r, 4pr. Okay, so here by the help of this formula you may obtain, because we are going to use this formula only because this bracket we already calculated. Okay, so there is no extra calculation. Okay, we can easily find this difference, the difference of two diameter square either in air or in liquid. Okay, that's why we are going to use this formula. Now for air gauge film, okay, you may also calculate the same radius of curvature by using the liquid medium. Okay, however here we are using the air film. So dn, d5 is given, d10 is given, and the square already calculated in the upper portion of the numerical, and p, the gap between the orders, is 5. Okay, so let's put the values and you may obtain the radius of curvature is 1.05388. You may see that the radius of curvature is very large always. It is approximate 1 meter always. Okay, otherwise if you do the experiment with the help of a plano-convex lens of a small radius of curvature, then you know that the diameters are proportional to the radius of curvature of the plano-convex lens. Okay, and if you use the plano-convex lens of a small radius of curvature, then the diameters will be very small. So it is very hard to work with the pattern. That's why we use the high R value. Okay, now see the next problem, numerical problem number 29. So in this numerical problem there is a Newton ring experiment. The diameter of 10th dark ring changes from 1.40 to 1.2 centimeter when a liquid is introduced between the lens and the plate. Okay, so in air it is 1.40. When a liquid is introduced, the diameter is reduced, it is only 1.27. Now the question is, what is the refractive index of the medium? Okay, so here there is only one ring is given, so let's write it as dn plus p, and it is 1.4 cross 10 to the minus 2, and let's write dn is equal to d0. Okay, so this is the zeroth order ring and its diameter is 0, as in the case of the Newton's ring. Okay, and the similar equation may be right for the liquid. So in this way we can obtain these two brackets, the difference of the two diameters, the square of the two diameters in the two medium, and their ratio give the refractive index of the medium. Okay, so now this is the numerical problem 30, and in this numerical problem there is a liquid is placed in between lens and plate. The diameter of 10th is found to be 0.5. The radius of curvature, obtain the radius of curvature. So you may obtain the radius of curvature by the help of above formulations. Okay, now let's see the numerical problem 31. The Newton ring is formed by the reflected wavelength 5895 angstrom with the liquid. Okay, the diameter of 6th bright ring is 3 millimeter and the radius of curvature is this. Calculate the refractive index of the medium. So in this problem you may write the diameter formula for the bright ring, which is dn square is equal to twice 2n minus 1 lambda r upon mu. Okay, so by putting the different values you may obtain the answer. Okay, thank you.